So I'm starting off with blow dried hair. I'm working in medium sized sections and I'm using my As I Am double buttercream to moisturize my hair from roots to ends.
I wonder what went wrong today. Why do I feel like I linger?
Once my hair is moisturized, I follow up with a gel, and today I'm using EcoStyler, the olive oil one. These two actually mix very well together, so there's no clumping, no white residue, no flakes or anything like that. And I'm just working it all throughout the section. Once that's done, I separate my hair into 3 pieces and then I begin braiding. I haven't braided my hair in so long, I almost forgot how to braid my hair. I've been so used to doing 2-strand twists. So I braid all the way to the ends and then I add a perm rod. Taking another medium-sized section, I'm just lightly finger detangling with my fingers. Following up with the same As I Am double buttercream and moisturizing that section of hair from roots to ends. Following up with the same gel and applying that all over the section. Once that's done, I separate my hair into 3 pieces and then begin braiding. So one side of my head is already braided up and I have one section left.
Control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all.
My hair is finally all braided up and I'm ready for bed. So I'm going to be taking a silk scarf and tying that over my hair. So this is the next morning. So I'm just going to take out my perm rods one by one. The perm rods gave me a nice little curl on the end of my hair. I'm going to add a little bit of my hot treatment oil to my hands and then I'm going to massage that all over my hair.
I wonder what went wrong today. Why do I feel like I linger?
And then begin removing my braids. So one of the reasons why I hate doing braid outs or braids is taking them out. It takes so long for me to undo my hair. So this is a definition that I got. Really soft waves, but I think for next time I'll do smaller braids, add a little bit more product so that way I can get a better hold. So I just finished unraveling one side of my head. Hair is both sides unraveled. I'm going to separate and fluff my hair out a little bit more to make this fuller and to hide some of the parts. So I'm lightly shaking my hair and separating my hair where it naturally wants to separate. So definitely for next time I'm going to make my braids a lot smaller because this style didn't last too long. So I just kept separating until I was happy with how my hair looked. And this is pretty much what I got. Big fluffy hair that was super soft and movable. Now if you want to, you can definitely add some gel to your hairline. Completely up to you. I'm just going to add a little bit to this side of my hair. Using the same gel as before, the EcoStyler. And then using an old toothbrush to kind of just slick that back. And these are my final results. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed.